Hello and welcome. Why should you meditate? Well, I'm not a meditation guru, but I have been practicing meditation from my student life as a follower of my father's chanting meditation. But honestly, last few years could not continue it properly. As a result, I faced a lot of difficulty in agitation, patience less memory. I could not counting a bunch of notes successfully and I cried day by day. Then my father guided me and I started practicing meditation again. Then I have studied well and learned a lot of things about meditation. At the same time, I closely observed to my father. He never forget to meditate after his bath. I never saw him with highly anger and break down by sorrow. He is always self-motivated, well energetic and confident person, always doing his task in proper time. For last 3 years, I am continue practicing meditation. Now I am feeling a great change within myself. I can confidently say that it has changed my life. In this topic, I got so much wonderful experiences about meditation which I wish to share with you. People thought meditation is just for monk, depressed, sad or old people. But there is no doubt that meditation is for everybody. In this video, I am going to share with you what is meditation. What is the scientifically proven benefits of meditation? How to meditate? A short time meditation guide. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice of mind. Practice of just focusing on one thought or one object, and when you are not thinking about your past and your future, you are totally present in the moment and listening to your within. Meditation is basically try to empty your mind, try to not thinking. It's just to concentrating. In this world, people are doing so many activities. Students are getting educated, some people are struggling for job, some are struggling for success in their business. So everyone is trying to be highly successful in life. But before that, you also try to achieve excellency from within your mind. Our life is based on our thinking. Mind is always thinking one thought to another thought, that thought to other thought, and continuously it is happening in speed. That is hitting up your brain. As a result, you are not feeling good. It's called anxiety. So mental agitation or anxiety makes you operate on a lower level. So how to relieve your mind from it? By practicing of concentration. Meditation practice slow down the speed of your thought, so when you think less, your mind will be more clear. As we eat food for our body and that food take care of our body, similarly meditation is the food for our mind. In meditation practice, you are going deeper your mind. Meditation practice is a very direct process to change your life for the better. So in meditation practice, your mind getting focused on the idea of consciousness. Meditation practice make our mind more advanced to adjust ourselves in this constantly changing world or society. Whenever you are in a big trouble or stuck somewhere and not able to find solution, then you must meditate. Meditation cannot be done. It just happens. What are the scientifically proven benefits of meditation? From thousands and thousands of years, people have been practicing meditation for spiritual, mental, and physical well-being. But does it have any benefit proven by science? Why should you invest 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes for meditation each day? Yes, scientific research says it will actually help you to change your life in a positive way. There are links of the studies by science in the description below. You just check it out. Meditation practice has so many emotional benefits. Meditation removes the darkness from our mind. A study conducted at Harvard by Dr. Sarah Lazar found that 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation can dense the brain's gray matter and increase the brain's region that linked with memory and sense of self and emotional regulations, and also decrease in the cell volume in the amygdala, which is responsible for fear, anxiety and stress. It reduces stress and anxiety, depression or negative thought from our mind. It promotes self-awareness, empathy and compassion for others. So meditation improves our relationship. It increases your kindness or senses of being connected with other people. Mindfulness meditation improves attention and memory. It increases your intuition, creativity, so it makes a better student. Meditation physically healthy. Herbert Benson mentioned benefits of meditation on human body as reduced high blood pressure, heart rate and brain activities. Meditation can improve your immune function, it can reduce pain. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Meditation may helpful for cancer also. Meditation improves your concentration and focus better. Meditation can help people to concentrate and focus better to become successful in their work. Sometimes you cannot concentrate your study, your work because so many memories are coming in between. Meditation is a process to clarify the mind so you can focus on one. If you are doing a responsible job or want to be a highly successful person in life, then you must meditate efficiently. Meditation helps to overcome bad habit. Mindfulness meditation practice has been shown to activate brain's prefrontal cortex. Prefrontal cortex is the part of your brain which is associated with concentration, planning and decision making. It helps to break bad habit. So if you have any addiction like alcohol, cigarettes, drugs which is bothering you in life, then you must meditate. How to meditate? There are so many styles of meditation. Sitting on the chair, standing, walking, and sitting on the ground, and so many. We will learning today one of the popular meditation technique called mindfulness meditation. Just sit in a place. Keep your backbone straight. Just comfortably straight. Then close your eyes softly, not so tightly. Now take a deep breath and slowly exhale it out with an open mouth. Feel the relaxation flow through your body. Now allow your breath to flow naturally. Just put your attention on your breath. Observe how your body breathing in and out. Be the observer of your breath. Just be aware of any sensation, any feelings in your body. If any thought entering your mind, don't worry. Simply observe. Let them come and go. Get your concentration back on your breath. All the time, just observe it. Now slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale it out with an open mouth. So it was your meditation practice for a day. Apply this in your life anytime, anywhere, 5 to 7 days a week. Normally people like to practice meditation 10 to 20 minutes a day. If you are a beginner, you will start with 5 minutes meditation. Then slowly increase the time. It's so simple and interesting to do. Please try to include in your daily habits. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If so, please click the thumbs up button and let me know about your meditation practice. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.